Somebody left a chair. My gosh, that's a good chair. That right there, that's sewage water. And it hasn't even been raining, which is crazy. Surfing in San Diego is getting really gnarly. Even if it's not raining, there's still sewage going out there in the ocean. Hey listen, my microphone's broken, okay? I hope you can hear me. And until it's fixed, I'm not gonna use it. It's the port. It's the little port you put the little thing in, okay? It's broken. It sucks. It's piss water coming out of the pipes going around the ocean where we surf. That guy got pissed off. Didn't want me to film. Then he was taking pictures of me. I was taking pictures of him, so, you know, whatever. Have you found anything today? He got one ring! Don't lose your rings at the beach. This guy will find them. Oh yeah. Found a heart-shaped silver ring. Be careful out there. Or don't, 'cause, you know, it's gonna make, your bad day is gonna make his day. Yeah! Hey, what's the best thing you've ever found?
I find a lot of gold rings. I found a Gopro that still works.
Nice.
I found a fat silver chain yesterday.
Yeah.
I found a gold tooth one day. That's
A gold tooth?
That's probably the weirdest thing I've ever found.
For sure. I want a gold tooth. That would be kind of nice. My grandpa used to have one, but that is weird. At the beach.
It's part of the fun of metal detecting though, because now you figure out, well, did somebody get in a fight? Somebody,
right?
You know, just eat it or
put the story together in your head.
That's right.
Yeah.
And I got $65 for the ring.
That's awesome.
Tooth, so.
Yeah, it's a good hobby actually.
Yeah, and I get plenty of exercise.
You want to lose some weight and make money? Get yourself one of these. Bicycle day. It's bike day here in Coronado. Wow, look at them go. Just spectacular. Moving their legs. Great times out here. I guess people got to go over the bridge today. I missed it, you guys. I could have done that for you. I just didn't know. I just was checking the surf and then there were the bikers. Could have went on the bridge. Oh well. Onwards with the episode. What are we doing today? That's a good question. We're going to my dad's house because he's got a pool.
Oh, I'm filming?
Oh yeah, you always gotta film.
Check out the glitter.
Where the hell is my dad? I want to swim in the pool. He's not here. Hey, it's your ginger son.
He's like, stop calling me. Don't you think they would have heard you?
Hey, look who's here. Here, give me the camera.
Who's here?
You are.
Oh.
Dorothy's here.
I'm here.
Wow, looking nice. Well, what are we gonna do now? I ran out of ideas. Okay, well, yeah. Oh, it's a green car. Oh, Dad, there you are.
What's up, man?
Hey, what up?
What are you doing?
I texted you like 100 times.
Oh, I didn't get it, man. I just got back from the beach. What are you doing?
I came over to hang out.
Hi.
Hey, Dorothy!
I brought Dorothy.
He made us break into your place.
Did you get in? Did you get in there?
Yeah.
Oh.
I got in your hammock, I did.
That's it.
That hammock is awesome. My dad has chickens, can't believe it. Oh, they know it's you.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Oh my gosh, that is awesome.
Good. I don't know which one is this?
Is this your first time holding a chicken?
It actually is my first time holding a chicken. Look at that nice guy. Wow.
Oh, so you got the thigh right there.
This doesn't really seem like that much meat on there, does it?
Yeah, well, they're little.
Can they fly?
They're all plumped up. They do fly, so don't let her go.
They fly?
Yeah, they can fly.
Oh dear.
Hey, do we have the same color hair?
If you were a chicken, that would be what you would look like.
Come here with this one.
Hey!
You got that.
Yeah, you're more of the darker one, maybe. The feisty one.
See, I'm
This
telling
one,
you.
David.
Miss Anna, she's
about
the
that one?
Ooh,
Which one's this one? This one's big.
That's Anna. She's the feisty one.
Wow, these animals are nice.
Aren't they cool?
They're not like freaking out at all. I think the cats freak out more than this one. Thumbnail?
Thumbnail.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
I told you she feisty.
Ooh,
Miss Dolly girl.
Yeah, I get it.
that's cute. Thumbnail.
Put it back in. I'll get you some worms.
Weird.
Give me some what? Worms.
Ooh.
They love worms.
Ow! This is a test, okay? Listen, I'm gonna see which camera's better right now. The phone or this camera? I think I got it, right? How far am I? I'd rather just do that, I guess.
Alright, if you're gonna hold it.
Vlogging.
We gotta look at the ones right.
I'm doing the camera. I'm doing the real camera. The phone,
Yeah.
the camera. The phone, the camera. Which one's better, you guys? Can you tell the difference? The Canon camera or the phone? Here we go, let's get into more direct sunlight. Now we're gonna do the real test. Into the sun. Phone, camera. Phone, camera. How do I look? Ridiculous? We're good.
Stop it.
Well, we're going to get some tacos. No, just keep going. Keep going.
I'm
with it.
filming.
I'm just gonna film 2 angles all the time. How ridiculous do I look?
Because the 2 angles are so necessary.
Hey, I need my 2 angles, okay? I need both sides of my face to be shortened. Here.
Your feminine and your masculine side.
Alright, let's go get some tacos.
Alright, I gotta eat my stuff.
Thanks for that.
You're so welcome.
Okay, we're going home. We got the Mexican food and hey. I'm a raccoon. You're a raccoon as well.
I'm gonna boot
Hey, we're both raccoons. Hey.
We're cute.
Just a bunch of raccoons hanging out, you freaks. We're going home now, just if you wanted to know.
No.
Well, we're ending the vlog. I think it's over. The day's over. It's a beautiful sound. Thanks for watching. We did the phone test. Which one looks better? Camera, phone.
Oh.
Camera, phone.
I would imagine the camera.
Dude, I don't know, man. This phone's been beating it today. What do you
Really?
think?
Well, I mean, just the
I think
size.
the camera.
You think this camera?
Yeah.
I would hope so. We're doing the test, the double camera test today. 2 cameras! Oh.
Hey, Dorothy.
The vlog championships. Does the Canon 70D win or does the Note 9?
Best cookie?
Thanks for joining me today.
Gabriel's making cookies.
Have a great time out there. And make sure to like and subscribe.
Oh my gosh. I can subscribe.
Okay. Oh, chocolate chip cookies.
Oh, he made the cookies.
Very nice.
Those happen really quick. Oh my god.
Those are great.
Who's next?